Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you must be doing good, inshallah. It's me, Anjum Akil, at your own channel, English Lounge with Anjum. After a gap of 1 month, I am again here in front of you with another worthy video. Meanwhile, during last month, I uploaded just one video and you can check it out in list. But from today, you will get regular videos of vocabulary, English literature, and linguistics. Before starting our lesson, let me mention one thing. If you are a new subscriber, then please visit the channel so that you may get ample of videos related to your concern. Now let's start today's video. In segment of vocabulary building, our word number 30 is Catastrophic. And the pronunciation of this word would be as catastrophic. 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 Catastrophic का मतलब है तबाहकुन, सानेहा या कोई अलमिया. Means disastrous, tragic, awful or terrible, fatal, or we can say involving or causing sudden great damage or suffering. Now let's take a few examples that how we can use catastrophic in our daily conversation. Like we can say catastrophic earthquake, catastrophic incidents. अब कौन से ऐसे incidents होंगे कि हम जिनको catastrophic कहेंगे? For example, recently एक incident था इमाम बारगाह में जो terrorist attack हुआ, तो उसको हम कह सकते हैं कि that attack was catastrophic और that incident was catastrophic. इसी तरह से जो APS का जो incident था पेशावर में ही, तो उसके बारे में भी हम कह सकते हैं कि दैट अटैक वाज कैटास्ट्रोफिक. फिर इसी तरह से हम किसी की डेथ के बारे में भी ये कह सकते हैं कि उसका जो इफ़ेक्ट हुआ वो कैटास्ट्रोफिक था. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हिज मदर्स अनटाइमली डेथ हैड अ कैटास्ट्रोफिक इफ़ेक्ट ऑन हिम. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं World War I and II हैड कैटास्ट्रोफिक इफ़ेक्ट ऑन वर्ल्ड. That's all from my side. I hope the concept of catastrophic is crystal clear, and if it is so, then please like and share the video and give your valuable feedback in comment box. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.